Want to turn off 2FA or two-factor authentication in Fortnite? Here's how to do it in quick and easy steps. First, go to epicgames.com and log into your account. Click on your profile icon in the top right and go to Account. Then head to Password and Security. Scroll to two-factor authentication. A pop-up will show up asking you to verify your identity before you can access this section of the settings menu. Once you're in, check your 2FA settings. If it's enabled, click Disable next to the method that you are using. You might need to enter a code to confirm, but once you do, two-factor authentication will be turned off. And that's it. Just keep in mind, disabling 2FA removes extra security and might limit some features like gifting. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.